Namaste, my name is Dharmesh Sukhadia and she is Virti Shah, and today we are going to learn a technique called Bhujangasana. Bhujanga is a Sanskrit word. Bhujang means cobra, asana means posture. So we'll learn detail about this asana. Let us learn. The requirement of this asana is that one has to lie prone, and this is one of the best backward bending posture in Hatha Yoga. So we'll learn this technique. So Virti, will you please lie down prone, turn on the side and then lie down prone. Now firstly, how people are doing wrongly this posture, that I would like to show you. We'll start with the legs first. The legs, some people put their legs, the toe inside. The toe should not be inside, the toe should be out. Both the legs should be together. And yes, hands by your chest. The elbow is hugging the body and the forehead is on the ground. Even some people does this technique by taking the legs broad. They do it like this. This is wrong. You should do it both the legs together. Now, there are 4 main instructions in this particular posture. The first is forehead on the ground, hands by your chest, elbow hugging body and both the legs together. This is very important. Another thing, when you are coming up, you will come up with the strength of your thorax, not the strength of your arms. And that too will come up till our navel only. We will not go beyond navel. Because as you will come up till navel, slowly and gradually, when you will come up with first with cervical, then slowly thorax, then slowly lumbar, and then slowly the stretch will come to your sacral region also. And if you do it perfectly, it will come till your coccyx. So we'll do this technique now. Slowly she will raise her neck, slowly, very slowly, cervical, very slowly come up thoracic, very slowly she will come up till navel, so lumbar region, and she will hold her breath here, and then the drishti is at nasikagra drishti, and then exhaling she will go down. We will do it one more time with counts. So we are going to do this technique with inhalation 3 count, hold for 6 count and exhaling 3 count. See how she is raising her neck and how she is raising her trunk till her navel she will raise. So please observe it very carefully. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3. One more time. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Such 6 rounds we have to do it with 3 inhale, 6 hold, 3 exhale. After doing that, do the Makarasana, relaxing posture, and toes together, legs apart. Normal breathing. Very slowly, turn on one side. Turn on one side. Fold your legs. Go into Dradasana. Take support and sit in Sukhasana. So this was Bhujangasana, Cobra posture. So friends, we have learned this technique and now Our Guru Hansaji will throw more light and give more insight into this asana. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. Bhujangasana is a very powerful back bending asana. Practicing 2 to 3 rounds of this asana daily can develop self-confidence, strength and willpower. It is one of the best asana to tone up deep muscles, supporting the spinal column and trunk. The way in which the head is raised in the final position in this asana is similar to fanned cobra. The purpose of creating this posture is to imbibe the qualities observed in the cobra: determination, alertness and precision, which are most desirable for a sadhaka in the path of yoga. As you lift your upper body and bend backward, you imbibe Aishwarya Bhav to face any situation with confidence. Bhujangasana also helps to develop a calm state of mind and faith in self and in higher reality. Apart from the mental benefit, this asana has tremendous physical benefit. When you practice Bhujangasana, there is stimulation of the spinal nerve. The alternative contraction and relaxation corrects minor displacement of the vertebra. It tones up the abdominal muscles and also reduces constipation and flatulence. Keep practicing this asana. You will see huge difference physically and mentally. Namaskar.